So,
Okay.
carrot chickpeas
Yes. And tahini and
and
olive
tahini.
oil. So I've been in
Pahingi
Davao
ako ng
for
garlic,
like 2
please.
days now. And the thing about Davao is that my mom's here. So my mom is trying to teach me how to cook because I'm a late bloomer in terms of cooking.
Okay,
We're
so
making hummus, by the
we're
way.
making hummus. And then salt, of course, olive oil, and garlic. I guess that's about it.
Whoop. Pretty good.
Pretty good, or more oil, no?
No, I actually like it that way. It has texture.
Okay, do it that way.
It's a really nice day today in Davao. And I've just been chilling. So we're going to South Cotabato next week after Chinese New Year. This is our garden. These units aren't done. Please excuse the mess. So I'm just here enjoying sunshine. A lot of sunshine in our garden. That's it. It's a lot of sun for me for the next 6 months, unless it rains.
Ito nga, ate.